Hi, we're going to do the weekend, and this is the weekend, this weekend, which is 31st. 31st? Yeah, 31st today. But I'm going to do the Friday as well because the Friday it's wood with earth. So that wood controls this earth. But this is a goat. The goat is like the wanderer, going off wherever it's got to go. There's wood on top. It's a kind goat. It's not one that's going to headbutt you, etc. So this goat is the end of what we call fire elementally. So it's also what we call the grave. So the grave means a storage, and it's a storage of money. And this is wood. So this is money for metal people. So all you metal people out there, ka-chink, ka-chink, ka-chink today. Okay. That's the whole day, yes. So, even if you decide I'm going to go to the casino tonight, yeah, I'm not telling you to go. And so be careful though, because this goes with the year, with the dog, is already half a penalty. Yet, from 1, 2, 3, 5 to 7 tonight, there's another dog. So don't go 5 to 7, okay? So 5 to 7, most people will be losing out probably the whole year unless something harmonizes with it. So that's why I'm redoing the Friday, because I actually forgot to say that last on the weekend when I was doing the weekend. So wood and earth, find out what wood is for you, find out what earth is for you. But for the metal element, wood is money, and this is the storage of your money. Okay. So hi Shan. So Saturday is yang fire on the monkey. Fire by nature molds this metal. Now keep in mind the month is also a monkey, so that's already two monkeys and a dog for the year. So the fire is basically feeding the earth, the dog, then the earth feeds this monkey, the metal. It's elementally. So what ends up happening is this metal is quite strong. This metal is actually a travel star, so there's huge changes. So what's going to change? What is your fire? And that's the change, because that's what it sits on, a change. And the monkey is pretty mischievous, so, one from this tree to this tree. It's also what we call a travel star. So the travel star also means you're going to make a decision or make the change for, what's that? It's fire. And then the month is metal. So you've got fire and metal changes happening this month. This month doesn't end till the 8th, so keep that in mind. It's solar astrology. The Sunday is fire, and it sits on the rooster. And so the rooster is, he rules the hen house, and there's only room for one rooster. So that fire again, fire molds this metal. Some of you will think of it as a control. I think of it as discipline and molding. So that fire there is molding the metal. So for the fire people, both these days, these are your metal. These metal are your money elements. So fire, money. Both are sitting on money for fire people. And so great weekend, I should say, because everybody is a winner in that way. The flying star for Friday is in the center of the home is the 8. The 8 is equality, so there's equality happening, effortless. It just does depend on what else is there in your home, but keep that in mind that, if the rest of it is balanced, you get what is coming, etc. Tomorrow, it's what we call the female energy, but it is out of its time. And so it's quite strong. It's like a sword as well. And so, they're going to snap in that way. So when you're looking at the Saturday, it's females, be extra careful, because then on Sunday it's the males, and then the males you need to be extra careful there. So this is the weekend. Hopefully you'll grasp all of these by looking at your own chart, and it will tell you what it says. And hi Helen. So all of those plus those, and the day is money, the day is money, the day is money. So lots of winners this weekend. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow.